Hello. Welcome back, guys, to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing the screen, then you know which video we're gonna continue. Yes, we're gonna continue our winter semester 2025 preparation videos, where we're gonna talk about requirement analysis of all the other colleges that we have leftovers. You can just also see our criteria or the search criteria that we have chosen. We have chosen search criteria for electrical engineering courses, which are taught in English, bilingual courses also included. Then it should be full-time and it should be at least less than 50% in online. Free courses, but some of the colleges will have less than 5,000 euros per semester. Say example, one best example is University of Stuttgart and other best example is TU Munich. Not every college will have the fees, but only few of them will have fees. But we are looking for this series of this video. We have already covered around 29 videos or colleges, and this will be our 30th or 29th based on upon the previous video. You can also have a count and check it. If you're new to this channel, then don't forget to click like, share and subscribe, and also please share this video with the people who are in need, who want to pursue their studies in Germany, master degree of any of the courses. Then they can look into these videos and make use of it and apply for themselves. As usual, now we will just go for other college, then we can start digging into requirement analysis of that particular college and that particular course. As such, one college we're gonna take up is Electrical Engineering in University of Siegen. And don't worry, most of the colleges I also dragged down, which are not bookmarked. I will also do that college. So I will make end of this series, there will be having 94 colleges of complete electrical engineering requirement analysis. So no need to worry. Today we're gonna talk about University of Siegen for the course Electrical Engineering, Electronics Design and Communication Engineering. Overview, as we told about, this degree is Master of Science, and if it is Master of Science, then it should be 4 semester as usual. If you have seen my videos as of until now, then most of the things you already know. What are the things, how the college would be, and it's a textbook kind of, everything is similar. Then we can also clearly bookmark it so that we might not lose the count of it. Then the course language is completely in English and the course location is in Siegen. As usual, all courses will be taught in English, but you will have the German colleges or German classes will be held. So if you are interested, you can also take part in German language courses which you want to study, like A1, A2, B1, B2, depending upon your interest. Also, they have an option of you can do your master thesis or submit your master thesis written based on your German or English based on your request. Then the application deadline will be 30th April. This is what we want for, or we have to look for, and it is only available in winter semester. Please make sure that you take into consideration. The deadline is 30th April. Then this will be in our Excel sheet, and we can also make this video on 1st April. Then we will have a count of it. Then description of the content of electrical engineering courses, they have detailedly explained here, but most of the time I like to go into course details where they have mentioned much more deeply. So course organization, as I told you, the master program is University of Siegen, taught through different types of modules, core modules and different types of module. In core modules, they convey the broad spectrum of theoretical, practical, technical topics of electrical engineering. So this includes the practical skills such as capability of chip design, fabrication, as well as further occupational areas. These are the things that they're gonna continue or teach you in the core modules. The program is structured as follows: 7 core modules you have to do. So you have to do 7 core subjects. Either these core subjects will be properly only 7, or there will be 9. In the pool of 9 subjects we have to do 7. So there will be less of option for core subjects, but in electives you will have most or many options to do. But yeah, for core subject there will be less option. You need to do 7 courses of core, which is 6 credits each. Then you need to have a 1 fundamental module of 9 credits. Then you need to have a 5 elective subjects of 6 credit each with a pool of many. After that, you need to do a project work of 9 credit. Then you need to do a master thesis. But this is how your 120 credit points will be divided and what you will be doing. For electrical design technology, if you are choosing, then the module offered for cover fundamental courses would be semiconductor electronics, semiconductor electric design, digitalized systems, and analog integrated embedded system, optoelectronics, and these are the things that you can choose or pool of subjects that you have. Then students also offer number of elective courses. So in these pool of elective courses, you have to do 5, as I mentioned. So in these pool of core subjects, we have to do 6 of it. If you are choosing communication engineering as your specialization, then these are the core subjects that you have to do, compulsory modules, and these are the some of the elective modules that they have mentioned. You can choose and do it. So this course has 2 specialization, either electrical design or communication engineering. Depending upon your interest, you can apply for one particular specialization, or I don't know if they consider one basic application for both, then after getting an admission you will be entitled to choose it. That we are not yet sure because we have not applied it. So when we will get to know when we are applying. So stay tuned to watch this video for application, then we will get to know more. But I think the course organization things I explained it properly, where you have two kinds of electrical design and communication engineering and how 120 credits is divided. Then cost and fundings will be none, and you need to have a 320 euros for your student contribution, and as usual this 320 euros will cover your student expenditure of traveling, boils down to free education. Then if cost of living will be 800 to 950 euros in Siegen. That's the reason people usually tell that, and that's the reason you will be blocking your certain amount of money or how much visa officers will require. So that amount of money anyway will be credited to your bank account, German bank account from your blocked account. So no need to worry about this number. Then fundamental opportunity within the university, funding opportunity, yes there are, and you can also apply for Deutschland Stipendium and scholarship of doctoral students and so many other things. You can also get in touch with the Siegen University website and you can check for the what are the funding opportunity that they have for international students. Then requirement and registration, this is where we spend most of the time, or what we need for. You need to have a bachelor degree in electrical engineering, electronics engineering, communication, telecommunication engineering, computer science engineering, instrumentation control engineering, engineering physics or mechatronics, covering at least 6 semesters. So they are accepting from wide variety of courses all over the engineering field. So please, if you fall under any of these courses, then make sure you apply for this college, and you need to have studied mathematical foundation for 20 credits, scientific basics for 15 credits, and electrical engineering for 20 credits and other things. And people who are still confused about credit points and ECTS and other things, please convert your ECTS directly into CP. ECTS is equal to 1 CP, like that. If you ask me, people who have done VTU, Bachelor of Engineering, we will get issued 200 ECTS, I would say, or credit points, or I don't know the naming that we had, I forgot, but we will have that 200 as our credit points. That direct 200 will count up to 200 credit points. If they are asking mathematics foundation 20 credit points, we have done 4 mathematics, M1, M2, M3, M4. It will count up to 16 credit points. We have done 16 credit points. Like that, you can edit it and do it. It's 1-to-1 ratio, no need to panic here. Then you need to have a language instruction, and the language requirements would be IELTS 6. You need to have a B2 level of Common European Framework. Then the application deadline is always 30th April. We will get down into our Excel sheet and note that down, and you need to apply in their particular website. It's not through UniSS, as they have also mentioned here. Application through the third party domains are not accepted. You have to apply in their official website. Then services are, you can, as soon as you get into college, then you can look for student accommodation, then possibility of part-time opportunity inside the college by joining as a research institute or research assistant under your professor, doing thesis there, or any other things that you can do. Then the private accommodation and public accommodation, they have also link in student and work. Then career advisory service will always help you. As soon as you land there, you will get a form of city registration form. You can also go and do a city registration. They will help you open the bank account and other things. However, they want to help you, they will do it in services. This is what we wanted to talk to you about in this particular video, and I will take a moment and put all information in our Excel sheet. And if you know, this is the Excel sheet that we are looking for. I am forgetting every time to share this Excel sheet with you guys. I will put into one particular directory of my Google Docs, then I will share with you, because sharing is so difficult, because I have also shared my CV. After some days the link was not working, so I'm figuring out where I can put this, and so that you guys can download. Yeah, we will check, and I will also do at least a website, or maybe where I would officially release all these things in my official website. Then you can download it there and also book the personal appointment there one-on-one in the official websites. But I'm working on that. Yeah, once I have some news there, I will share with you. And this is what we wanted to share. And in the 29th college, we have also noted down now University of Siegen for electrical engineering. 30th April is the end, and we are applying in the University of Siegen website itself. This is what we wanted to talk to you about, the requirement analysis of University of Siegen for electrical engineering, either for electrical design, electronics design, or communication engineering. If you like this video, then don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe. And I know our channel is not growing like as much I intended, but I am also not stopping. So please, people who are watching this video, 85% of people who are not subscribed, please subscribe it, so that it will also help me to grow. Thank you so much. See you in next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.